Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to go over some things. We're going to go over my upgrades. We're going to have a little bit more upgrades. I have a new keychain here. At the very end, I'm going to go over my newest addition to the shop. Other than that, let's see how those Bambu A1 Purge catchers turned out. So I didn't make them all the same, so they're not uniform. But here they go. They definitely make it look way more sharp. We don't have a bunch of frayed cardboard boxes everywhere. But yeah, those are absolutely phenomenal. I love how they turned out. Those are vented to fit the vent. So they fit right underneath the machines. Very happy with that upgrade. All right, so for my next upgrade, what I wanted was to make room for potentially 3 more machines. One right here, one right here, and then one down in here. In order to do that, what I need to do is I need to make a rotating AMS light hub for the top of the A1 Mini. So let's see what we got going on for that. What's up, everyone? Let's go into some Bambu Studio here, and let's see what we can find for a rotating top mount. Okay, so I'm just going to go in here, and I'm going to grab, like I said before, just the gnarliest looking guy. Thanks a lot, whoever this fella is. I appreciate it. Let's download and open this guy. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to print. It's $5. It takes 5 hours. I'm going to try to just do the minimal amount here and see if I can get away with this. Hopefully I can show you some upgrades next. Okay, and here's the newest member to my family. The cute girl cow will be a keychain on my site. We're looking at anywhere between $8.99 and $9.99, possibly. Maybe make it smaller. The turntable was bought today. If you're interested in this nice turntable, and it comes in all these different colors, brown and yellow and white and gray. There's a link in the description below for the JTAG Intelligent USB Charging 360 Rotating Display Stand. So yeah, here's the guy. We're going to get this on the site tonight, and let's hopefully this sells. I mean, we got to throw everything at it we can, guys, if we want to save this house and if we want to keep everything cool and do it just by 3D printing, of course, right? All right, man, you guys have a great day.